There is a lot of money online if you want to search for it. Now you have found the video which will explain you in details how to get some money for free online. Follow this video, hit subscribe, and let's go. The first step is going to be going over to Pixabay.com. Now, if you haven't heard about Pixabay before, this is a free website where you can get a lot of free images and videos, okay? These are all copyright-free videos, and you can do whatever you want with them. You can resell them, you can just download them, you can use them on your YouTube channel, and do whatever you want with this. There are a lot of these pictures, and as I've said, all of these are free. But we can make money with this. These pictures are going to help us to make loads of money. Now, different people are putting these pictures on Pixabay and they just give it out for free. So, for example, if you like this picture, you can just go inside of it and you can just click on the free download button. Then you choose the quality of the picture that you want to download. Then you click on the download button, complete the CAPTCHA, and then the download is going to start. Click on the green button and it's done. But for this strategy, I want a certain picture which is going to be related to business. So this is what Pixabay allows us to do. So you can just type in business, and if you click enter, you will get all the pictures which are related to business or maybe some money. Both of those keywords are going to work in today's strategy. But be sure to follow each and every step, because missing even one step can get you to get no money. Now we just have to choose a picture which we like. So for example, this one is good. This shows us that, for example, that there's money to be made and that there's money growing. So you can just click on the free download once more, choose the quality, click on the download, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on the download. Now we have that picture as well. So now we can proceed to the second step of this money-making method. The second step would be going over to Volotic, okay? You can just type that in the Google search bar, and you can just click on this, Volotic.com. Now, you can see right away that this website is giving you the money if you just read the emails that they're gonna send you. You can get a lot of money by just reading emails with the help of this website. But this is not the primary strategy for our today's method. You can actually earn money by reading emails wherever you are. This will work all around the world, and a lot of people are using it already. A lot of people are making money with this, so you can do it as well. So if you want to get money by reading emails, you can just simply apply on this website and you will get the chance to just read those emails that they're going to be sent to your account, and the money is going to roll in. But I have a different strategy which this website allows us. So first of all, click on the register button and then complete this simple information about yourself: username, email address, confirm password, and that's it. Now once you log in inside of here, this is going to be your dashboard. So this is the dashboard where it all starts. Of course, you will just have to verify your email if you want to get money by getting these like emails. But there is an important step that you want to do. You want to unblock this sender first. Then you want to go over to these three dots and you want to click on this, filter messages like this. Click on that and then just create a filter for this one. So if you want to make money by reading emails, this is what you have to do. You should just put this star it, so it will always be a starred email. Then the next one, always mark it as important. This will show the emails from this sender first, so you can't never miss the opportunity to get some money. And the last thing that you should do is you should categorize this as primary, okay? This is going to be primary, so you will get these emails instantly to your inbox and it's going to be starred. Now you just have to wait for them to send you those emails, and you can get anywhere from $50 to a full dollar per email you read. Now those emails are going to consist of some ads, and you will have to watch different ads, and that's going to get you the money. But it's a simple process and anyone can do it. There's a lot of money and it isn't really hard. Basically anyone can do this. But this is what I want you to know, guys. You can see this my referral link. This is the referral link for your account on Volotic, and if you invite people in here, you can get a lot of money from their reading emails, okay? So they can read the emails, but you are getting a commission for each email that they read. Now that is a chance for some passive income. You don't actually have to do nothing. You will get these direct referrals, and I'm going to tell you the strategy, how you can earn even more money. So just follow the next steps and let's get the money. First of all, what you want to do, you want to head over to Imgur, Imgur.com. As you can see, you can search for it in the Google search bar, or you can just type Imgur.com. You can click on it, and this website is serving us to get the traffic that we need for our referral links. We're just gonna get people to register on this website using our affiliate link, and the money is gonna come to us passively. So those people who register by your affiliate link will read the emails, and you're gonna get some money passively whenever they do it. Now, the cool part about this strategy is that you only need to do this once, and then it's gonna stay on this platform forever. Okay, so Imgur.com. First of all, you can see that it looks like Instagram or TikTok combined, or maybe even Facebook. So it's a social media network, but they use pictures and GIFs only, and some small short videos. So what do you have to do on this website? You have to go and you have to make yourself an account. Now, this is why I use this as traffic source. Imgur.com has 160 million total visits each month. Now, that is a lot of traffic, and that traffic is what is going to get us the money. 160 million people are coming to this website each month, and you can see that it is a constant number. Okay, there was even 180 million in the month of October. So now we're sure that this website is the place for us. Once you make yourself an account, just go and make a new post. You can click on this green button, click on new post, and then just drop that image that we have downloaded. We got this image from Pixabay, which is related to business. Now I'm just going to put it in here, and that is the first step. Okay, so whenever someone sees this picture, they're immediately gonna know that they can make money, and all of the people on Imgur who want to make some money, they will get their attention. So now you can just give your post a title. You can type something like read emails and get paid for it, or you can just type in get paid for reading emails or earn money by reading emails. Whatever you put, just make sure that it is visible and that people can get the notion, the idea, just from the title and the picture. And this is the most important part, this description. What you want to do is you want to copy your link, your referral link, and you want to paste that in here, and you just want to write something in the lines of sign up on this website for free. That's gonna get people to click on your link and to make that account for themselves for free. And now whenever they read those emails, you get some money passively out of this website, Volodic.com. Now, one more way of getting the traffic is that you can simply use Facebook.com, and in the search bar you can just type in make money online and then just click on enter. Then just head over to these groups and then just choose a group for yourself. In fact, as many of these you can cover, the better for you. You can see that these groups have a lot of members, and they all gather there for a reason. They want to make money online, and you're going to show them the website. So what you want to do, you want to engage with the people. Just paste that same picture from Pixabay and write something similarly to this. And of course, don't forget to add this. You will get a lot of traffic from these groups alone because there are a lot of people. You can see active groups, 10 plus posts per day. So you can just mix and match, combine it with this one, and you'll get a lot of those. In the end, you get a lot of money. So take the action, and I'll catch you.